In Colorado, the counties in red and orange have a high or substantial amount of virus transmission, and it's recommended you wear masks in crowded areas. And this time lapse shows how the COVID virus has spread over the month of July, from July 1st until yesterday. CDC says the Delta variant now accounts for 80% of all COVID cases. We have two reports about how this is impacting Coloradans. Jacqueline Quinn live to tell us what one doctor is telling parents whose kids can't get vaccinated. State employees who are not vaccinated are going to have to take COVID tests twice a week and wear masks in the office. Those tests, though, are free. Governor's order affects 30,000 state workers. That's going to start September 20th. Now, the latest CDC guidance recommends children also wear masks, but one doctor now wonders if parents shouldn't also reevaluate where they take their kids, especially with the spread of the Delta variant. Our Jacqueline Quinn talked with one doctor, and Jacqueline, what do they have to say?
Well, we talked to the doctor, and really he's saying, think about going into those crowded spaces, what may be happening there. But also, we were talking with some of the parents at the playgrounds, and they were all talking about this mask variant and now the possibility of where they take their kids. Julia Murphy is mom to a 2-year-old boy in Aurora.
And so I've still been staying pretty careful to not try to bring anything home, but I was just starting to get comfortable.
He's a big reason why Murphy has been doing her best to follow all the rules to keep from getting COVID.
The thought of him getting sick and having a severe reaction to it is just terrifying.
But also to potentially help everyone else.
It's definitely concerning. I feel like we're kind of starting over at this point. I don't feel that I'm protected. I don't feel that he's protected.
Now, the most recent data shows that even if you're vaccinated, you can have this Delta variant.
And that's why doctors like Reginald Washington, Chief Medical Officer for Rocky Mountain Hospital for Children, think it's time parents revisit safety protocols, such as social distancing and frequent hand cleaning.
In your body, in your nose, and you can pass it on to others.
Since children under 12 can't get the vaccine, they basically depend on adults to get vaccinated.
I think we'll eventually reach herd immunity. And if most people in the community are vaccinated, they will not be able to pass the virus on as readily as they can now.
For Murphy, it seems like that won't be coming soon enough, which could for now mean less play dates for her son.
And I hope that it doesn't, affect him too badly.
So we know that kids 2 to 11 can't get this vaccine. So when can they? Well, right now we know that the FDA just asked Pfizer and Moderna for more testing. They were hoping September. Now it could take months after that. In Denver, I'm Jacqueline Quinn covering Colorado First.
Jacqueline, thank you. Jefferson County schools will require masks for any student who's too young to be vaccinated. Masks are optional for older students and staff who have been vaccinated. Kids don't have to wear masks at Adams 12 schools, but employees are required to wear them. Douglas County and Littleton Public Schools reportedly will not require masks for anyone.